everyone, welcome to this episode of UnboxID. I'm your host, Ashley Ng, aka The Designer. We are here at Prism Plus Experience Center to meet Singapore's #1 monitor and TV brand. So we're here right now at HipVent's Experience Center at Suntec City. Nestled inside HipVent's Experience Center is also the Prism Plus Experience Center. And in front of this setup right now, we have this very nice Prism Plus TV mounted on a Prism Plus easel stand. How neat is that? That's what I found out about this fast-growing Singapore TV and monitor brand. By now, you may have already seen many celebrities and influencers talking about and unboxing their products. Prism Plus is founded in 2017, and in a few short years, Prism Plus became a popular local consumer electronics brand selling top-notch gaming monitors and 4K TVs. For them, it is about disrupting the traditional distribution market with the direct-to-consumer e-commerce business model. This means no middleman, and they can then significantly reduce the exorbitant price of owning a powerful gaming monitor or 4K smart TV and bring it down to an affordable rate to the masses. Because of this and their effective marketing strategy, chances are someone around you already owns a Prism Plus monitor or a Prism Plus smart TV. With all the HBLs and work from home happening on and off, and like many Singaporeans, I had set up a proper workstation at home as well. I am currently using a Prism Plus PG270 monitor. For a professional gaming monitor, the PG270 Pro is a 27-inch powerhouse and has some of the fastest refresh rates and response time. Even though I do not game and mostly use it for work, I'm a fan of the form factor. If you are a serious gamer, then refresh rates, fluidity in motion is extremely important. With the X340, the users gets to experience extreme fluidity with a rapid 165Hz refresh rate and gain that superior edge over your opponents. Ideal for first-person shooting games, you miss nothing with insanely fast 1 millisecond response time, where every single frame is captured down to a mere millisecond. When I first saw this 86-inch TV, I really couldn't believe that you can own this 4K beast at this unbelievable price. At this size, anything you watch becomes a cinematic experience. This appliance is running on Android TV and has an inbuilt Chromecast and Google Assistant. One remote control with all the accessible buttons to your favorite streaming platforms. In fact, these features really challenges the notion on whether we still need to design a TV console at all in today's modern interior design. The Nomad Ultra 4K is a 15.6-inch portable display, and it's a perfect display that you can explore when you need to be mobile but need that extra monitor for the real estate to do multitasking work like graphics work or video editing work. With this OLED display, you can quite literally work in style anytime, anywhere with this portable monitor. Specially and exclusively for Sixides and Prism Plus followers, check out this exclusive deal for you right here. And for the month of March, enjoy an additional 5% off when you checked out with Grab or Atomi, valid till 31st March.